Everyone you follow, everyone you respect and admire has one secret in common, a secret that exploits your biology, leaving you with no choice but to admire them and to follow their lead. I'm going to expose that secret and show you exactly how to use it for yourself. What you're responding to isn't their talent. It's not confidence, looks, or intelligence. It's resilience. Biologically, we are wired to trust and follow those who have survived visible struggle without breaking. It's an ancient instinct. In a dangerous world, following the one who's already been tested was a survival advantage. That's why perfect people don't inspire loyalty, they create distance. But someone who has clearly suffered and still projects strength, triggers a different emotional response. Reliability. Power. But this only works if the suffering looks conquered. If the pain is still active, it signals weakness. If it's mastered, it signals power. Power. Let the world see your scars. Because scars don't make you look weak, they make you look dangerous. And in a world full of people pretending to be strong, the one who's visibly unbroken becomes the one they trust. Ever ask yourself why every friend group talks differently? Why every politician uses their own vocabulary? Why every influencer keeps repeating certain words? It's because that creates a psychological foundation of power. People desperately crave belonging, and the same language offers exactly that. It makes us feel similar, and that perceived similarity creates an automatic, subconscious closeness. We form emotional bonds with people who seem like us, and if someone speaks like us, we assume they're like us. Using the same terminology makes us feel unique. Everyone else talks like NPCs, but your group doesn't. That feeling of belonging, of uniqueness, of superiority, creates such a strong bond that people would go to war for it. That's why you need to give your group the language. Use terms that define them, that make them part of your community, and watch how they show you absolute loyalty.
People will do anything, lie, steal, destroy, as long as they can tell themselves it's for the right reasons, as long as they believe they're still morally superior. It's pure human nature, and one of the most effective tools of control. The moment you present yourself as morally superior and frame your opponent as evil, everything you do suddenly becomes justified no matter how extreme, and people will cheer you on because they want to be on the good side. The truth doesn't matter anymore, only the frame does. That's exactly what's happening in the EU right now. Oppositions are being banned, elections are being cancelled, all under the banner of protecting democracy while it's actually destroying it. It's a tactic, and you too can use it. In this YouTube channel, I show you exactly how, so be sure to subscribe, like, and ring the notification bell.